So I'm done with my skirt. I did quite a bunch of rows. I ran out of yarn. I'm not gonna even lie, because here, as you guys can see, I did 3 rows and 3 rows and then 5. So I ran out of black yarn, but it is a perfect length, so I'm not gonna really do much. So the plan was to do blacks 5 for 5 rows, and then 5 other rows of white. So please do that instead of doing what I did. So 5 rows of black and then 5 rows of white. We're going to be moving on to this kitty color, which we're going to be working all around my border. So you can either use those 2 colors that you have, but like I feel like a third color would look cute, so that's why I'm adding it. So I'm just gonna attach. I'm gonna try and find where my project started, which is right over here. So I'm just gonna attach my yarn through there, and then we're gonna work a row of half double crochet. In order to do that, you're gonna chain, pull through, then chain 1. In the first stitch, do a half double crochet like that. I'm going to show you again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through all 3, and then again. So I'm going to be working this all around until the end of my row, y'all, and I'll meet you guys once I am done with that. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I am done with my row. I just did a slip stitch, and that is basically half of my skirt all complete. So now we're going to move on to the cinching of the skirt. So we're going to try and find the center line where we were slip stitching, and then that's where your darning needle comes in. So what you're going to do is weave in your yarn and basically do this. I don't know how to explain it, but like how you are sewing, like this. Right, like that, but obviously with yarn, and then just pull through, and then your skirt will scrunch up. So I'll come back to show you that, because I will do it off camera. And then the final step is to make the string that ties the knot. In order to do that, I'm going to be using the color that I used for my waist band, which is this one, and then I'm just gonna make a long chain which I'll be able to tie. So that's what I'm doing. Make sure the chain is long enough to go around your waist. Okay, let's pretend my chain is all done. So what you're gonna do is, in the second stitch from your hook, you are gonna do a half double crochet. So you yarn over and then make a half double crochet like this, like that, like this. So I'm gonna make whole double crochet, half double crochet until the end, and I'll meet you guys once that's done, and I'm gonna show you how to weave in. And yeah, Okay, so as you guys can see, I did scrunch up my back, and I'm also done with my waistband. So now I'm just going to show you guys how to join our waistband. So you're going to put it here like that, and then maybe skip 3 or 4. I'm going to skip 4, and then like that. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's no formula to this thing, guys. Just do what makes you happy. And then 4. I'm going to continue the rest off camera, and then I'll come back to show you guys the final results. So yeah, but that basically sums up our video. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.